Here at UNL, fall is the best time to soak in the natural beauty of the city campus. Visit Love Gardens, located just south of Love Library. You're gonna love it. Observe the wildlife roaming across campus, the campus squirrels and the rare black squirrel. Catch one and take it to the animal science department for a secret prize. No? Oh, actually, don't do that. Look at these rocks. Nice rocks. Gasp. A wild fraternity boy appears. Or scientific terms, fraternicus plagiaricus. Pick a bench. Any bench.
It's not a bench.
Shoot. Pick a bench. Any bench.
Still not a bench.
Pick a bench. Any bench. Hey.
Why would you think that's a bench?
Pick a bench. Any bench.
No, that's not. Colder, warmer. Oh, you're on fire.
And listen to the sounds of nature. UNL is known for its amazing agricultural feats. If you take a look around Sheldon Art Museum, you'll see heads like this. These are the largest 100% organic homegrown heads in the entire Western Hemisphere. Hey Steve. And you can't forget about Breach, the strange metal tree just north of Love Library. One tends to wonder, how does it grow? What will its seeds look like? Will its fruit give me tetanus? We never know.
And this has been You Nature Love with your host, Morgan Shipley. Be sure to visit the UNL Arboretum over on East Campus for more information about the wonderful wildlife in Nebraska.